Example 7, evaluate the integral going from 1 to 2 of dx over 3 minus 5x squared. Okay, so let's rewrite this integral where we have the lower limit is 1 to 2, and this now becomes 1 over 3 minus 5x squared, and that's dx. Okay, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to let u equal what's inside the parentheses, which is 3 minus 5x. Okay, now let's take the derivative of both sides. So we have du, which is going to equal negative 5 dx. And so we can see here we want to solve for dx, so we're going to divide both sides by negative 5. So divide both sides by negative 5. So we get negative 1/5 du, which is going to equal dx. Okay, so we know that we have the first part, which is going to be 1 over u squared, and we know that dx is going to equal negative 1/5 du. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to then change our upper and lower limits. So we know that our lower limit is 1, so we're going to let x equal 1, and then we're going to plug it into what u is equal to here. So that's going to be u, which is equal to 3 minus 5 times 1, which is going to give us negative 2. So therefore, this becomes negative 2. And then we're going to let x equal the upper limit, which is 2. So u is going to equal 3 minus 5 times 2, which is going to give us negative 7. So now negative 7 becomes the upper limit. Okay, so now let's go ahead and factor out the negative 1/5. So we have negative 1/5, and that's the lower limit of negative 2 and the upper limit of negative 7. And this becomes u to the negative 2, and then that's du. Okay, now let's find the antiderivative of this. So now we have negative 1/5 times the antiderivative of u to the negative 1/2 is negative 1 over u, with a lower limit of negative 2 and an upper limit of negative 7. Okay, now let's factor out this negative, because this negative times this negative is going to make this a positive. So we have 1/5 times positive 1 over u of a lower limit of negative 2 and then negative 7. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue here. So we have 1/5. Evaluating this becomes negative 1 over 7 minus, this becomes negative 1 over 2. Which then becomes 1/5. So our common denominator is going to be 14. So this is going to become negative 2 over 14. And this is going to become plus 7 over 14. Which then makes this 1/5 times 5 over 14, which is equal to 1 over 14.